1 September 2024. I had to repaint the floor in this boat again. I did that yesterday. And I parked there in my carport to prevent that condensation from messing up my paint job. And it works. So I didn't have enough paint to do the floor in its entirety. I just had a little bit left of that quart that I bought. I got another quart on the way. So this thing is good to go as far as putting the console in. I will get the console in today permanently. Right there, as you can see. Tinkerbell. So, I'm making some steady progress finally. This boat will get the console permanently installed today. I'll work on that hatch, get that hatch done. Finish taking the stickers off the boat. Clean up the glue tracks. Put the registration numbers up on the bow. I'll have this boat ready to take to Causeway Marina in Camden, North Carolina on Tuesday. And hopefully they can help me out and get this motor that I'm buying from them. 90 horsepower Johnson V4 two-stroker. I'm gonna put a jack plate on it, hydraulic steering, rig it in my center console. So I'm really looking forward to that. Hopefully we'll get that thing done next week, and next weekend we'll be doing some test runs. Alrighty. It's September. Corn is just about dead. Not dead, but it's all dried up. I'll be chopping that corn any day now. Some tall corn always grows good when they grow corn, and even when they plant beans, it always grows really good in this field. Alrighty. Happy September. Peace out.